big jobs call for big solutions. Introducing the C2400 squeeze tool from Footage Tools. Designed to handle HDPE pipe up to 24 inches with precision, power, and control. The C2400 is the squeeze boss that's ready to take on the toughest pipelines. Whether you're stopping flow for maintenance or making critical repairs, the C2400 delivers unmatched capacity to safely and easily tackle the biggest pipe jobs. And now it's available to rent from ISCO, the global leader in HDPE solutions. With its heavy-duty strength, reliable performance, safety engineering, and maximum efficiency, you'll get fewer delays, less downtime, and more savings. Now that's big. So when it's time to go big or go home, go with the C2400, the squeeze tool that's up for the challenge. Visit isco-pipe.com/C2400 to learn about renting the C2400 for your next big job today.